Welcome back to Future Cars Garage. What happens when you take the most iconic muscle car in history and give it the DNA of a desert racing beast? Well, Ford just answered that question, and it's sending shockwaves through the automotive world. Forget the track-focused GTD for a second. We're talking about something built for the dirt, the dunes, and the absolute unknown. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the 2026 Ford Mustang Raptor. Ford CEO Jim Farley recently hinted that the line between on-road and off-road supercars is blurring. And this is Ford's middle finger to the status quo. Is it a muscle car? Is it a trophy truck? Or is it the wildest Mustang ever built? Let's dive into the details. Under the hood, Ford isn't playing games. While the world is going electric, Ford is sticking to its roots. Expect the legendary 5.0-liter Coyote Vive 8 as the heart of this beast, pumping out over 500 horsepower. But wait, there's more. Rumors suggest a Raptor R variant might be in the works, potentially borrowing the supercharged 5.2-liter Predator 5.8 from the Raptor R truck, pushing a mind-blowing 800-plus horsepower. But the real game changer? All-wheel drive. Yes, a Mustang with AWD. To handle that power on loose gravel, Ford is expected to drop a 10-speed automatic transmission tuned for high torque off-road shifts. This isn't just a Mustang with big tires. It's a completely re-engineered monster. Now, look at this stance. The Mustang Raptor sits nearly 2 inches higher than a standard GT. It's got a widened track, massive flared fenders, and those iconic 37-inch all-terrain tires wrapped around beadlock-capable wheels. To soak up the jumps, Ford is reportedly using Fox Live valve dampers, the same tech that makes the Bronco Raptor nearly unstoppable. You'll also get Baja Mode, a dedicated drive setting that optimizes the exhaust, suspension, and throttle for high-speed desert running. Inside, it's all business. Expect Recaro sport seats with rugged, easy-to-clean materials because Ford knows you're going to get this thing dirty. A 12-inch digital cluster will show you real-time off-road telemetry like pitch, roll, and tire pressure. Why is Ford doing this? Because the off-road supercar niche is exploding. Porsche has the 911 Dakar and Lamborghini has a Sterrato, but those cost $250,000. The Mustang Raptor is expected to start around $90,000 to $110,000. It's the affordable alternative for the enthusiast who wants to go fast anywhere. Ford knows their Raptor brand is printing money right now, accounting for over 20% of their sales, and the Mustang is the next logical step. So, what do you think? Is an off-road Mustang a brilliant evolution or total heresy? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button and subscribe to Future Cars Garage for more updates on the wildest rides of the future. See you in the next one.